Yeah.
ESIची एक मीटिंग झाली आहे.
Just a review meeting is regarding that hospital we are coming up at Mulgaon, 150 bedded hospital. By 2027 it should be ready. Okay, so they will float the tender and all. So it is around, the cost is around 255 crore rupees, which will be borne directly by the ESI.
सर फाटी तुमच्या ते कोल्लीम एक आसलेलें न्हू इंडस्ट्री ते कितें
That is a thing, that is there is a medical thing of ESI.
ओके
So that is doing well.
इट्स गोइंग वेल
Yeah, that's not bad.
सर वन
And then plus as far as the ESI hospital which is there in Margaon, yeah, so it is not basically functioning full capacity. I think around 25 or 26% as well. So we have put. I had requested Dr. Shettier basically. So he is going to chair that committee of that to see that it is run to its full capacity.
व्हाट अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट लाइक डॉक्टर्स एंड ऑल
No,
दैट
there is a reason. Whatever is required and all, I just told him to basically study the full matter, and he'll get back to us within 15 days time. Because I want to see that the hospital runs at its full capacity. So at least this will basically the load which is there on the auspicious hospital and all in Margaon, basically that can at least be reduced. We are trying that.
Babu sir, yesterday mayor had done the comment.
I am not.
That smart city work, he's not happy with the.
I have already told you. I am also not happy. I told you first time.
So he also said it is horrible,
Substandard work was
substandard, and he wants them to get move out as soon as
See,
possible.
I have been saying that the work is substandard, not now. You just go and see my statement from day one.
म्हणजे आता झालं गेला ते वेस्ट काय
I am not saying this. I am just saying this work looks to be substandard.
So
That's
पण
what I'm trying to
थोड्या
say.
मागे
Now you all go around everywhere, no? You all don't check the work over. And you cannot understand that whether the work is in proper this thing or it is substandard.
So आम्ही सांगला
You
होता
take their this thing, quote or quotation, whatever they have been tendered, and see what are the things what is required to put there.
का त्याचा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक आम्ही तेच सांगला ताका
Okay, fine.
पूण थोडे येता आनी मागीर
Babu
तुमकां
sir, but
ब्लेम कित्याक
90% work has been completed, and he's saying now you can see the Panjim is a smart city right
what
now.
I am trying to say, first, whatever work has been completed, or what they say that 100% work has been completed.
90%.
So at least hand over that work to the CCP, no? At least let them maintain it or take care of it. First, at least do that.
पूण फाल्यां मागीर तुमकां ब्लेम करतले न्हू आमदार म्हणून थोडे जाण ब्लेम करीत आहा तुका
First of all, what CCP, once you are handing it over to CCP, CCP will check. There will be a checklist on that. What is there and what was as per the tender what was supposed to be.
So Panjim is looking like smart now. 90% work has been completed, no sir?
I also have eyes. You also have eyes. Now you should decide. Thank you so much.